In this video, we will talk about the alternatives to Linktree, which are free or cheap and easy to use. You don't have to use Linktree to share multiple links. There are a bunch of other options out there.
Number 1.
Bio. Bio is a straightforward link page that offers the basic functionality of creating a link in bio page with unlimited links. It's easy to set up and provides link tracking for basic performance monitoring. Bio doesn't have an option to customize your page, so if you create a link for your Instagram bio using this tool, you'll need to use their default design. Among its key features, Link.bio allows you to create a personalized URL, provides link tracking and statistics, and facilitates cross-linking with various social media profiles. One noteworthy aspect is that Link.bio uses the official Instagram API, ensuring that users can leverage its functionalities without the need to disclose their Instagram passwords. Plan and paid plans starting at $0.99 per month.
Number 2.
Hop by Wix. Hop is an advanced link in bio tool by Wix that beautifully showcases all your important links on a fully customizable mini website.
Number 3.
Bio.fm. Bio.fm is one of the more advanced Linktree alternatives on this list. Essentially, Bio.fm is a content aggregator tool designed to curate your feeds from different social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and Spotify. Features: enables you to embed GIFs and survey polls to your bio page. Provides customizable themes. Pricing: Bio.fm is a freemium tool. You can access a lot more features with the Pro version starting from $5/month.
Number 4.
Linkpop. Linkpop is a bio tool mainly designed for e-commerce stores. It integrates with Shopify, giving you the ability to monetize your bio link page with order links for your products. Linkpop also comes with decent analytics features, allowing you to measure your links by unique visits, clicks, and clicks per visit. Pricing: Linkpop is completely free of cost, but you'll need a Shopify subscription in order to add shoppable links to your bio page.
Number 5.
Everlinks. Everlinks is a simpler alternative to Linktree. It's easy to set up and provides several useful features to make your bio link management quick and efficient. Everlinks lets you add YouTube videos to your bio page and an unlimited number of links. It also provides some cool capabilities like link animations that enable you to draw more attention to your most important links. Features: enables you to add text with a rich text editor. Allows link scheduling so that certain links only show up at a certain time or day. Supports videos and images on your bio page. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.